Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wisconsin Greg Show. Today is December 2nd, Tuesday, 2019, and they finally come to combine my corn today. It finally got a little bit drier out there and the sun's out, and there's no snow. Snow's all gone, so glad they could come here today and get it out. They got the beans out. I was very lucky of that. There's still a lot of beans around the area that are out in the fields. Those are going to be harder to get than the corn. But anyways, I'm going to walk out there, so I'll be right back with you when I walk out there. Well, I'm out here in the field and I just went for a ride with Gilbert around with the tractor and the buggy. I was going to videotape a little from there, but the windows were kind of dirty and the sun was shining in my face, so I'm not going to go in the combine and bother them. They're in a hurry to try to get stuff done, and I'm just going to stand out here and videotape them a little bit while they're at work, and so you guys can see what's going on, and hopefully they can get some stuff done in the next few days. I think the weather's going to be nice around here. They've been here probably about 3.5 hours or so, and they're getting towards the end. I have 40 acres of field corn. So they're moving right along. Got a 8-row head on the combine, and it's turning out pretty good today. I'm glad they could get it out. I wasn't sure if they're going to be able to get it out till spring or not, the way the weather was going around here. So that's a good thing. So anyways, I'm going to flip this camera around and let you see them working here a little bit. And I'll be right back with you when I turn this camera around. When I was in the tractor with a buggy, I had them call into the combine with their two-way radio and ask them what the bushels per acre was going. And they said 160, and the moisture was 21%. It's a little bit better than I was expecting. I didn't think it was going to even be that good this year. 6140. Case IH 6140. Okay, I'm back up near the house here. I'm going to end this video. I talked to the other guy that's driving a truck, and he said out in the middle of the field it was going about 200 bushel an acre. But then because of the gravel hills and around the edges where the trees and stuff are, it brings the average down to about 160. So it's a little better than I was expecting for this year. We didn't have a very good year. When they put the nitrogen on, the urea, I guess you call it, it was supposed to rain there shortly after, and it didn't rain, and most of that just evaporated into the sky, so I could tell it was running short on nitrogen. The corn was kind of light green color at the later stages of its life. I figured that was going to hurt it more than it did, but it wasn't, not too bad, so I'm pretty happy, I guess. Anyways, I'm going to end this video. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll catch you on the next Wisconsin Greg video. Catch you all later. Have a great day, everyone. Bye now.